Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, 8-speed AT. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.